All right, what's going on, guys? Be sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end. There's going to be a lot of stuff in there. First of all, I have a mentorship program that's $25,000, and the email links below, and I will send you these questions if this is something you want to be part of. The more favorable program is the King program, $3,000 or $200 a month for 24 months, and it'll teach you how to use AI, how to get your corporate citizens set up, and how to make money. That link's below. I have a new YouTube channel, Hustlers Kung Fu Black and White. That's where the story is going to go. I have Hustlers Kung Fu Wealth Development. That link should be below. And a whole bunch of other stuff. The link's below. All right, so what we're going to talk about is how to make good YouTube videos. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is the stuff that I bought to make my videos. And then I'll get into the explanation of why I bought this stuff and how it makes a big deal. So hold on a second. Let's talk about how to make YouTube videos. Today I had to help a client set some stuff up. And one of the things that gets me is everybody wants to make a video on their phone. This is some of the worst advice out there. I'm going to actually show you the stuff that I spent and how much money I spent getting video stuff. Now these are SD cards, and I was shooting in 4K, and I'll talk about that. But these are the mics. Well, the camera was 1,000. This was, let's see, I can tell you exactly how much that was. It was $80.99 for the lav mics and $1,300 for the camera. Now, many people will talk about having cheap stuff, and you can make YouTube videos on your phone. If you want to make trash content, or you don't want to have full control over your videos, yeah, you can make videos on your phone. Once again, you will notice I'm buying a lot of these cards. And that was something else. That was something else. And the ring light. Okay. So that's all that other stuff. That was 2023. Now let's go to 2022. These are the Rode mics. These mics are really, really good. I think they cost $397. All right. Telescope I bought. More cards, more cards. Some of the stuff that I want to get to is going to be the older stuff. More cards. Now let's talk about lenses. Now, this is a Canon 50mm 1. This lens was 2022. This is how you get the look. You get the look from the lens, not the camera. So the lens was 2000 and the camera was 1700. This lens will, look it up. It's a Canon RF 50mm 1.2. You get that crisp look in that buttery background. I love that lens. So let's see. Let's go back. Okay. All right. So that was that. Oh, this was another. And this right here is a workhorse lens. This lens the camera was 3400 and the lens was 1300. I used this was the working lens. Used this lens quite a bit because it gave me that look that I want. Now, I know many of you are looking like, I don't have that kind of money to buy that stuff, and you want to go out and get cheap shit to make YouTube videos. Let me just go ahead and explain something to you. Unless you just get lucky and film some content that everyone likes, this will catch up with you. Let's go to 2021. Mics again. Sony rechargeable battery. And let's see, go to 2020. Notice that I'm consistently buying stuff. And Mafrano, Sony, that camera was 3,700. Now this is a lens that went to the smaller camera. This lens was 1,067. So we're going to have a little conversation about setting up YouTube and everything. I'm just showing you the equipment that I bought and how it wasn't cheap. And let's see, let's go down to 2019. Now, you don't have to buy this same equipment. I'm showing you this to prove a point. Another lens, roll mic. Oh, I've had that for a long time. And stands, all the lights. The lights were like $2,098. Another set of lights, $2,500. Okay, this was 2019. And let's see what we get in 2018. More stuff, more lights, green screen. 35, that lens again. And this lens in the Sony Alpha, like once again, I love Sony cameras. And let's see, 2017. Okay, small focus. This is when I made a big switch to Sony cameras. So, yeah, this is the equipment that I use. And this will be at the front of the video, and then we can talk about other stuff. As you can see, I spent a pretty penny for the cameras and lenses for my videos. You don't have to spend that, but I'm going to give you a price range, and I'm going to give you some stuff that you need to get. Number one, I feel you should get a MacBook Pro. You can get a used one off of eBay or Craigslist. First thing, you should get a really good camera, you should get a really good lens, and you should get, I would say, DJI mics. So this is something you can do for about $1,500. Now, I know many people are like, well, $1,500. I always heard that I can make YouTube videos off my phone. All right, you can make YouTube videos off your phone, but they're going to be shitty. They're going to be crappy. And here's the thing. 90% of YouTubers don't make any money. You want to know why? They're making fucking videos on their phone. They're doing shitty work and no one wants to watch this. I'm sorry, that's where it is. So, number one, see those lights back there? If I was shooting a video, I wouldn't be facing this way where the sun can come in. That's going to mess up your video. I would literally turn around and have the camera back to the windows and use the sunlight, because light makes a huge difference in your videos. Now, you can go on Amazon and get like a 3-point lighting kit for maybe $99. So it is very, very, very important. So you need a MacBook, you need a good computer, you need a great lens, you need microphones, and you need lamps. Lamps. Now, right now, I don't have any lamps, but I have overhead lights. I can actually, let's see. Let's go ahead and that's what I have right there. Those lights. Those guys are pretty bright and it gives me a lot of light. But once again, you see these shadows in my face? If I had proper lighting like that, I wouldn't have any shadows on my face. So you can go ahead and get yourself a good YouTube manufacturing facility, about $1,500, maybe $1,200. Also, editing. I've been using Final Cut Pro for the last 15 years. I did not move to Adobe Premiere because it has a learning curve. And I don't really feel like learning how to use it when I know how to use Final Cut Pro. But this is something you're going to need. And I see a lot of people go out and get this cheap bullshit and their videos look terrible. Learn how to use Final Cut Pro or learn how to use Adobe Premiere. I'm serious. Final Cut Pro is going to be $199. and it makes a huge difference. And one of the things I get into when I get into the monetized content, I'll be talking deeper about videos and stuff. But these are the things you need to do to set yourself apart from the regular people. Because like the average YouTuber doesn't make money. 90% of YouTubers don't make any money. 90%. Their videos don't even get 1,000 views. You want to know why? Because their videos are shitty. Because they're like, oh, I can make a video on my phone. And then they're putting that stuff up. Once again, let me go ahead and explain. I had an Apple Pro, the big cheese grater computer, and a 32-inch monitor. That was my main editing computer. And then I had a maxed out MacBook Pro, $6,000, that had 8 terabyte hard drive, which was my backup. Once again, I will spend the money for the proper equipment to make videos. Now, right now, I got a story. I got a story that I'm going to talk about in a few months. But right now, I'm making this video on my Apple MacBook Air. And it's okay. It's not what I normally do. But right now, I'm not spending money on video equipment. I have 3 employees. Probably going to hire 2 more real soon. So that's kind of where the money's going. But guys, you can make good videos if you choose to set them up. And this is one of the things that I'll be talking about going forward. The average YouTuber doesn't make money. And the average YouTuber, you notice you'll see a lot of people with the Rode mic. That's a mic. It has a recorder, and the recorder is plugged into the camera. This is how they get that sound. And you see a lot of people using that because it gives you a high quality audio. But this is just the first video. I'll be talking about some more stuff. But you can make really good YouTube videos for about $1,200 to $1,500 setup. Now, if you're sitting there like, where am I going to get $1,200, $1,500? Get another job. And, literally, if you're making $250 a week after taxes, you'll be there in about 6 weeks. Get another job. Make some money. I'm telling you, it's going to make a huge difference in your videos. All right, that's all I got. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.